Hey there, Alex Kidman here, and it feels like it's time for an unboxing, but I have nothing to unbox. Oh, damn. That feels like it's just a lousy feed line for a stupid pun. And indeed, it totally is. These are the Nothing Headphone 1 headphones. Headphone 1 headphones? I don't know how to describe them. Time to give them an unboxing. If you watched any of these, you know I just kind of go for it, warts and all. And first thing I've got to do is work out how I open them. Oh, a handy dandy thing here that says open. So I guess we'll give that a try first and foremost. Obviously, these are not a secret. There are other reviews of these around, but these just showed up. And, well, that was exciting. I feel fully satisfied by the, well, okay, no, I don't. I'm presuming this means I can pull this up. How does this work? Ah, it's sticking in place there. And then, okay. Did I miss something? Am I being an idiot? Well, I mean, that's, only a thing that happens every single day. Ignore that crashing sound in the background. It's probably just my cats knocking something over. There we go. Looks like we're heading in. And of course, the interesting thing about these, if I ever do get into this box, he said, 57 hours later, he was still unpacking a box. There we go. The interesting thing, as I was trying to say there about these, is that, look, they're in a white box. Oh, okay. I like the little embossed design there. That's kind of cute. It's very inconsequential, but it's cute. Is the design. And it's a bit like a lot of Nothing stuff. I like the fact that they do stuff just a little bit differently, almost kind of retro style, although, my goodness, that could not look more like a standard headphone piece of packaging. It's just such a standardized case. It's almost a little boring, Nothing, almost a litll boring. Before we dive into the headphones, let's just have a quick look at what I'm presuming are the documentation. Ah, yes, documentation and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Always appreciate it. And what I'm going to guess is a USB-C cable, and it is. It's indeed C to C for charging. I will have to supply my own charger to get these things powered up. I'm just going to move some of the additional props sort of semi out of the way and hope they don't fall off the desk while I'm doing this. As I said, I just kind of tend to go for this, and then we will unzip them to reveal the beauty within, or to reveal, well, what I think is actually going to be one of the more controversial review devices I get in, just in terms of the look, because, wow, that sure is a choice. I mean, that is very, very different. You're going to stand out in that kind of 80s way. There's an almost Cliff Richard wired for sound feel to these things. And wow, I'm really dating myself there, but I think those people who know what I'm talking about will know what I'm talking about, and the rest of you will be going, old man Kidman, he's really lost it this time. But I had better get to testing these, of course, because I'll have to listen to lots of things and see how the battery goes and do all my usual stuff, which will take a couple of weeks. I like to take my time for these things. And I'll definitely be testing these and not the moisture sachet that comes with it. If anyone would like the moisture sachet, leave me a comment in the field below. And, well, actually, no, I won't send it to you anyway. But leave a comment just to say that you enjoyed watching this. Thanks for watching. I'm off to test some headphones.